Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now select Files section and over here click on those three lines at the top left corner. Now you can pick the best source for you. I will go with recent. If you wish to, you can also tap on audio and video filters at the top. Finally, after locating your file that you wish to add, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!